Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, Apple finally acted human today, and in doing so has set up another couple of very ideal technical levels that I think a lot of people will be watching, which is a good thing because when a lot of traders are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And yes, up here still is one of those levels up at 508. Although 508, I suppose it's within striking distance on Wednesday, but the level now that I think a whole lot more breakout players will be watching, and rightfully so, it's a valid area to be watching, but is right here at this area of the 500, and let's just call it 75. So $500, 75 cents. Going to that first key level, which you can see here on a couple different occasions, both during the first 30 minutes and then late afternoon. The price, just momentum stopped both times the price got around that area. But if the price can get above that area, no such thing as a guarantee, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price then go up there and at least do battle with that 508 mark. So keep a close eye on that from the resistance side of things. And then on the flip side of the coin, as far as levels of support are concerned, first key level of support to watch very closely. Now, after we have the dust settled, going to be right down here around the 493 mark, give or take a little bit. So 493 going to be one of those levels that the shorts are watching and, thinking, not guaranteed, but rightfully so, that if the price breaks below there and then breaks below that level, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. But technically speaking, especially from the trading angle of things, I think those are going to be the levels that many traders will be watching. And it's always important to know where lots of traders are watching certain levels, because from there you can construct, various types of trade plans around those levels, depending on whatever your personal risk tolerance and goals are. But those are going to be the main levels I'm watching moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.